Why is sugar so hard to stop once we start eating it?
Great question, because it feels like magic but it is actually brain science. Sugar hits your reward system the same way an exciting surprise does, and it makes your brain say, "More please," before you even notice. Junk food is designed to be extra tasty and fast-acting, which means your brain learns that pattern quickly. Today we will solve the mystery and learn how to reset your cravings with wisdom, science, and tiny steps.
So, what does that actually mean?
In medical language, sugar activates the mesolimbic dopamine pathway, which is the same reward circuit used in addiction. But in kid-friendly language, it means sugar lights up your brain like a W and teaches your body to chase that feeling again. Your taste buds send a signal, your brain gets excited, and your stomach joins the party. So you are not weak or wrong, your biology is doing what it was designed to do.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the brain is always learning. Sugar increases dopamine, your craving hormone, and repeated hits teach the nucleus accumbens to expect that reward. It is like forming a path in a garden, the more steps you take the deeper the path gets. Discipline grows from small acts of stewardship, and caring for our body is part of wisdom. Tiny choices actually change your circuits, your habits, and your life.
How does this show up in real life?
You see it at school when your energy crashes after lunch or snacks. You see it in your emotions when a sugar rush makes you extra jumpy then suddenly tired. It affects friendships when kids get moody or irritable because of cravings. It affects family life when arguments happen around snacks or meals. And your habits slowly shift when sugar becomes a comfort instead of a treat.
So, small equals big?
Yes, small equals big because tiny choices build your identity. Imagine a plant. One drop of water does nothing, but daily drops grow something strong. Sugar is the same, small bites every day train your body to expect more. But small healthy swaps also grow into strength, clarity, and self-control. What starts tiny becomes who you become.
So, how do I start?
Here is your simple 3-step reset plan. First thought, say, "I can pause and choose," because you always can. First feeling, breathe slowly so your brain calms the craving. First behavior, swap one sugary snack a day with water or a fruit you like. You do not need to quit everything, you just need one tiny reset that builds momentum.
What should we do today?
Today's tiny challenge is this. Replace just one sweet snack with a healthier option and notice how your body feels. Comment the word reset to show you are trying with the community. If this episode helps, you are welcome to subscribe and grow with us at your own pace. You are stronger than a craving, and every small step rewires your brain toward clarity, peace, and confidence. Your body is smart, your mind is adaptable, and your future is full of strength. Keep taking tiny steps and you will see big change.
See you in the next episode.